Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the volume on your HP Chromebook 14A. To adjust the volume, you can do it in two different methods. Either click on this Control Center button in the bottom right corner of the screen, and now you can adjust the volume right here. You can also do it by pressing on the volume buttons on the keyboard itself. You can see here is the mute switch. Then we also, I don't think we can unmute it this way, but we have the volume down and volume up buttons as well. So feel free to use those to make it all simpler. And that's all for this video. I hope I was helpful. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.